we're going to learn how to connect our Resound hearing aids to our Resound app. We want the Resound Smart 3D. There's lots of different apps, but as long as you have Resound Smart 3D, that's the correct one. So we're going to click on it. And this is our first time getting into it, so it's going to give us our welcome screen. And we're going to press Get Started. It's going to give you some terms and conditions you can read through, and then press Agree. And then we want it to use the Bluetooth, so we'll use OK. We're going to open the battery doors, and then we're going to close them to our hearing aids so that they can connect. And we're going to press Retry. And we'll just wait until that circle goes away. It wants us to do it again, so it shows us to open the battery doors to the hearing aids, and then it shows us to close them. Okay, and that circle's going again, so it's searching for the hearing aids, and it just told us that we're connected, so we'll press Continue. And now we're in our app. We always want, we either want to allow or don't allow notifications. You can press Allow. We always want it to use our location when using the app so that if we ever lose our hearing aids, we can find them. And then you can always press Start to that. You want to ask your provider about it, but we'll exit out of it for now. And that's how you connect your hearing aids to your Resound app.